Upgrade your Mustang Mach-E with the hottest accessories. From stylish add-ons to must-have tech, these top-rated picks take your ride to the next level. Shop now and enhance every drive. Splash guards, exterior accessories.
Looks like this is going to go right on like that. So I want to give me a flat head. I think it might help. What do we got over here? Yep, screwdriver I think a little easier. Just be careful you don't scratch anything you don't want scratched. Okay, yeah, so it does mention the bolt, the one bolt. A little screwdriver here should be good for it.
Cabin air filter. Armrest storage box, organizer center, console, tray accessories. Fitcamx 4 K-Dash. Cam suitable for Ford Mustang Mach-E 2021 to 2025 GT.
There are clips holding this mirror surround in. If you can get your fingers on the side of it, you can just pull it straight down. And those clips will disengage. You want to save these clips, remove them from the surround, and put them on the Fitcamx surround. Now the power, we're going to remove this plug here, which goes to the rain sensing wipers. That will just wiggle free. And we're going to take this power adapter that came with the camera. We'll plug this end in. And then this end will plug right into the other side. Then we will take our camera surround plug the power in. It will only fit in one way. You just want to look for the arrows and line them up. And press the power together. Then you will put the new surround in place, line up the clips, press straight up till all of the clips engage. Put your mirror back where you like it, and you're done. It's just that easy.
Sunshade for 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-E windshield cover. Thank you for watching. Got a car model or content idea in mind? Let me know in the comments below, and it might be featured in my next video. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.